Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I will show you how to make $3 to $6 per download, and you can do this from anywhere around the world. I will explain you, but before start the video I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. And at the end, if you like this video, then hit on like button and share video with your friends. So let's get started. So today this happened on website called Snapwire. So in this website, you see here, make custom visuals and earn money doing what you love. In this website, all you need to do is to take pictures, upload them on Snapwire, and when people download their pictures, you get $3 to $6 per download. So you're gonna have your portfolio, different nice pictures that you take, when you visit some interesting place and you take pictures, just nice pictures, okay, that people get interest. So this company that needs photos and people buy photos from this website. These companies come to your profile, you're gonna create a profile, it's free, and they see your photos and they download it, they purchase them, then you make money. So you can make money again and again from one single picture. You can keep making money on all the time. Now there is also a way how you can earn more. This through different challenges. Basically these are contests. A company might there and says I want pictures of like anything, any specific topic they ask, like street food they ask, just an example. And you see here, street food is ready to eat food or drink sold by a hawker or vendor in a street or other public place such as at a market or fair. In this Snapwire challenge, we would like to see different kinds of street food all over the world. You can submit photos of street food being cooked, prepared, or whatever so like. So anything, this is just an example, and this one pays $75. So people gonna submit their photos and the winners win $75. So here are some examples of different pictures that were taken for this challenge. You see here, so just different colorful pictures you need to take and just submit it. You just take a picture and you just submit it, that's it. So from the challenge, basically you can see here you get to keep 100% of the reward, okay, from challenge reward. And from picture source, your picture you gonna get 50%. This basically what you earn per download on the monthly plans. Because there are the clients sign up to get pictures, they pay on the basis of monthly plans or yearly plans, and for these labels you're gonna get monthly plans. For monthly plans you get $6.45 per download. On social plans, social pro plan, you get $3.98 per download. Agency plan, you're gonna get $3.49 per download. They depend what they're gonna choose. And further yearly plans, you get social plan 4.95, 3.18, 2.99 USD. So to get started, just go here and click on I shoot beautiful visuals, and you goes here, it says sign me up, and you can choose with Facebook and via email, and you're gonna complete some basic information about yourself and you can get your account on Snapwire. Now remember, this great website, this is not gonna full-time income. You're gonna get a little bit money of each photos you take, but you're gonna Do this if you enjoying taking pictures, and you get payment through PayPal and Stripe. You see here we make payments through PayPal or Stripe. All earning you make on Snapwire will be automatically sent you through your chosen payout method from two methods. Okay, remember two methods. And here is FAQ and frequently asked questions. You find almost your every question answer in FAQ. So I highly recommended you to read the frequently asked questions of every website you wanna earn make money. So that's it guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel, and hit on like button, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.